everybody, I'm back, and this time I am frying some tilapia, and I have some mustard, and I have my batter, and I have some cooking oil which I've been heating up for about 10 minutes on the medium heat. I've already made one batch, and I'm gonna make the second batch now. What I like to do is I like to coat my fish in mustard first before I put the batter on it, because it gives it an entirely different taste. It, like, I don't know, it just something about the way that the mustard makes the fish taste. If you batter it in that first, it just makes it pop. I don't know what it is. It's just delicious. And it also, some kind of way, it makes it hard to burn it. It makes it cook a little slower so you don't burn it up if you have your heat too high. So that's one of the main reasons why I like to cook with mustard, because I tend to burn my fish. But with mustard, I don't burn it. And I use dry batter. I don't like to use wet batter. It's just not my type of thing. I don't like the way it tastes. I don't like the way it feels. I prefer dry. And I also make my own batter. I don't buy it. So as you can see here, take the fish and you coat it real good in mustard. Flip it on both sides. Then take the batter and make sure that you cover the fish real good. And I know tilapia has it split down the middle, so you gotta get and put batter in there too, because nobody wants to make a fish. Alright, so, and anytime I'm frying fish, there's a thick side, like this side has more meat on it, and this side has less meat on it. I always take the side that has more meat and I put it in the center towards the actual heat, so that, because that's going to cook faster than the stuff that's on the outside. So the thin pieces, the thin edges of it goes on the outside. And I'm going to let that cook for, don't really time my fish. I just use my sight. I fry it until it looks about like, let me pull this one up, golden brown, like that. Then I flip it, and I let the other side brown, and then I take it out. That's how you know your fish is done. If it breaks when you're flipping it, it's not done. Your fish is not supposed to break when you flip it. And also, one more thing, when you put your fish in the grease, you have to make sure that the grease is hot enough, because if it's not hot enough, the fish is gonna just, it's not gonna cook right. It's gonna start falling apart, and you're gonna have a bunch of just like little crumbs of fish all throughout the pan, and you don't want that. So you have to make sure that as soon as you put it in there, as soon as the fish touches the grease, it has to start sizzling, like a real good sizzle, and that's how you know the grease is hot enough. So now I'm going to check it and see if it feels crispy. Yeah, that one feels a bit crispy. Move it around. doesn't feel soft. Looks soft, but it doesn't feel too soft. This one right here looks like it's cooking faster than the rest. So I'm going to take these two and I'm going to flip this one over. Like that. So that one right there, that one's ready to be flipped. That was good. And you can actually see around the edges, it'll start to brown around the very tip. And that's how you know it's ready to be turned or flipped. Okay, I don't know if the camera can see the difference between the edges and the center. Let me see. Yeah, you can see. So now we know this one's ready to be flipped. Just get a good grip on it, not around the edge, but closer to the center. Get the thing, flip it carefully, and there we go. Nice brown, pretty. This one's not ready to be flipped yet. I'm going to closer to the center. Okay. Hurry up a bit. I'm starting to see some browning. I don't want to flip it just yet because I don't want it to break. It doesn't look like it'll hold if I flip it. Oh, look at that. Alright, I'm going to put this freeze hold. Alright. Good job. Good job, good job. So it took about, let me see. About 7 minutes before they were ready to flip. So I'd say about 7 minutes on each side. Medium heat. Oh boy. Are you done? This one's done on both sides. Make sure I get a grease off of there. Hold it over there. Let it drip a little bit. Then drop it off on some paper towels so it can finish draining, getting the grease out of there. And I am going to need more mustard for the next batch. Yeah, that's the last one. But I do have some catfish I need to fry as well. And catfish also goes good with mustard, so you can fry either tilapia or catfish, coat it with mustard first and then put the batter on it, it'll fry. It'll be extremely good. It'll be better than the regular fish without the mustard. And that also works for like chicken as well. Feel some grease. Hate these tongs. Couldn't find my normal tongs, so I had to use barbecue tongs with sharp teeth. So, yeah. Not too good for cooking fish. Alright, there we go. I got that one out. Alright. I'm going to put the last back in. And then that's going to be the end of the video, you guys, because I'm ready to get out of this kitchen because it is hot in here. Put the fatty piece on the inside. Mustard. Make sure I get it nice and coated all over. And put the fatty piece on the inside and the thin piece on the outside. Alright, that's the last one. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of my video. And we're going to get ready to eat some fried fish and Cajun rice. Y'all have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.